Welcome to Goalon Machinery. Today, let's take a look at our scaffold plank roll forming line. We start here at the heavy-duty hydraulic decoiler, which smoothly feeds the raw galvanized steel coil into the precision leveling system. This ensures a perfectly flat and tension-free metal sheet before any forming begins. As the strip progresses, it passes through the integrated embossing station. Here, high-hardness rollers press a distinct, diamond-shaped anti-slip pattern into the metal surface. This structural texture is critical for workplace safety, providing maximum traction for construction personnel. Next, the sheet enters the heart of the line, the high-precision roll-forming machine. Utilizing a series of progressive multi-stage rollers, the profile is gradually shaped into its final structural U-shape. Each roller station is engineered with premium alloy steel and CNC machined to guarantee tight tolerances, uniform dimensions, and flawless edge consistency. Once the profile is formed, it smoothly approaches the post-cutting unit. Guided by a precision track, the high-performance hydraulic cutter performs a clean, burr-free shear while maintaining the integrity of the plank shape, ensuring every piece is cut perfectly to the requested length. The entire operation is driven by a smart, multi-language PLC control panel with an intuitive touchscreen interface. Operators can easily toggle settings, adjust tracking parameters, and manage batch data. This advanced automation ensures high production efficiency, consistent speed control, and minimal waste. Watch the seamless synergy of the continuous roll forming and the automated hydraulic cutoff system. The machine effortlessly cycles to maximize output without compromising on precision, making it an ideal solution for high-volume manufacturing. And here's the final product: high strength, durable, and precision engineered metal scaffold planks. Notice the interlocking design, clean sheared edges, and uniform anti-slip embossing. If you are looking to upgrade your factory with efficient, reliable, and high-yield roll forming machinery, contact our engineering team today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more industrial machinery showcases.